Hey, what's up you guys? It's Kiki Beauty and today I'm going to show you guys what's my best makeup look for taking pictures in the sunlight. So let's get started with the brows using Sonia Kashuk. Now using a Equal Tools flat liner brush, I'm going to fill in my brows with the Benefit brow pomade in the number 5. I want my brows to look thick. Think thick brows are nice and in. So to avoid harsh lines, you're going to brush that out with the Sonia Kashuk eyebrow brush. My fave, got it on sale for like $1. You guys have to check out that sale rack at Target. It's got everything you need for less, for the low. Then you're gonna set your beautiful eye creation with a brow gel. I'm using the Ready Set Brow Gel Brow by Benefit. It came in a pack, a gift set. I will link that below because I know I said that wrong, but this puts all my little hairs into place. Next, with the eyes, you're gonna prime with the Becca primer. Get that moisturized, don't want any creases, so we're gonna make sure it's moisturized and primed. I think that's the purpose of primer. Next, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in the number 300. Gonna use that as a concealer on top, so I'm gonna pack that on. And now we're gonna set that. Gonna make sure it all stays in place, so when you apply the eyeshadow, it's not everywhere, it's not runny, it's just a good consistency on top of your eyelids. Now we're going in with clay from the Moschino plus Sephora collection. Gonna brush that on the outer corner, half side of the lid, but going up to the crease. Want to make this like a pretty cool transition color with the next color you're going to use. This color clay is really nice. It's like clay in the dirt. Now you're gonna blend using my Equal Tools blending brush. When you're choosing eye makeup for the sun selfies, you want to choose bright colors and kind of stay away from dark colors. The brighter ones will look better in the sun. Next, what we're going to use on the lid is Cloud Crossing. It's like a dusty brown, but noticing on my lid, it is a purplish brown tone next to clay, but it's not bad. It's actually really flattering. Again, blend. This looks really cool, like a sun meets desert vibe. Now we're going in with Kisses. Gonna pat that over Cloud Crossing and kind of blend it in all over the lid, because I like the color that it's giving me. It's like pinky orangey vibes. Okay, let's add some sparkle and add angel wings. This is a cool highlight. Like, it's definitely being torn up. Now I'm using my Well People Stick Foundation, mixing it with Rihanna Pro Filter Foundation. I like the combination together. I have a weird undertone. I don't know what undertone I am, but mixing these two together helps balance that out. So we're blending, switching up the tools I'm using helps get the job done. Going back in with clay and packing it under the eye for a liner, and going back on some spots that look like they're missing and need some reboot. Again, doing the same thing with the highlight, just going back on places that need some sparkle with angel wings, doing the inner corner and on the lid, and putting that on the brow bone. I like to do this with my fingers. I notice that when I do pat it on my fingers, it gets a better application. Next, we're going in with mascara using Pacifica and mixing it in with the Shiseido mascara. Will be linked below. Like to mix mascaras. I notice it does make a difference. Now contouring with the Fenty Beauty matchstick in the color Mocha. Gonna put this where I believe I need to contour and I don't want to draw too much attention to. Then I'm using the Fenty Beauty matchstick in the color Chili Mango. I love using this as a blush. I don't have an orange blush until I bought this, and this is like really cool because you can blend it out to your desire if you want it in your face orange or just like a subtle light orange blush. Like, it's just really cool. You can highlight with it too, and it's just awesome. Like, do you guys see that nice like orangey sheen on the cheeks, but it's like not too much, and it's kind of like matching with the clay on the outside of the eyeshadow. Really nice look. Now just going back in with the Fenty Beauty foundation just to conceal and highlight as needed. So if you definitely do feel like that, like, feel free to. Because I didn't put my powder on yet, and yeah, it was perfect for it. Gotta make sure you conceal extra, because when you are taking pictures in the sunlight, it will catch everything. So we're gonna make sure we conceal and pack that on without looking cakey. So blend it out. Now setting everything, putting the powder on. Highlighting time with Luna in the Anastasia Aurora highlighting palette, my favorite. Taking pictures with lots of highlighter looks really good in the sunlight, and it just looks amazing. Looks like you have a natural glow depending on how you put it on, and just making sure you blend it out and packing on the right amount. Sounds so contradicting, but put as much as you want on. It'll look great in the sun. I don't even think it'll look bad. Just go for it. Now I want to set my contour with a powder using my Smashbox contouring palette. I'm due for a new palette, a new contouring kit, so I will be on the lookout for that. If you guys have suggestions, please give them suggestions below in the comment. Next is blush. Blush looks so good in the sunlight, no matter the color and no matter how much. Pack on the blush. Just make sure it looks as natural, but go for it. It's so nice. Then I'm going to go back in with the Mocha Matchstick and do my lips. I'm using NYX and I'm mixing the colors because I want like a cool nude color. So I went in with NYX and Smashbox. I will link the colors below. They look really great together, and there we have it. So take those pictures, have fun, and experiment, you guys. That's what makeup is all about. So if you like the video, like, subscribe, and comment below. Have questions, comment below. See you soon. Bye.